Padlock now. It's locked the window. He's gonna kick some windows soon.
Right, lock on with you, knobheads. Alright to drive? Really?
Yeah, you'd expect Mercedes to be a quality product and they're just not.
Just run the red light then, why don't you? That's risky because I mean, I can't see it coming out that tunnel. Not worth it. Oh, you know. There's more, look there.
Yeah.
Huh? You're shooting at me because I'm sitting at the traffic light on red. Get in your own fucking lane, man. Look at these drivers, see what I mean? I've missed the green lights now because of that pleb. He's on his fucking phone, that's why. Looking down on his phone. What a gimp. Went out the wrong way. Silly something.
Can't shoot the speed. It's not that long ago, it's probably about 2010, 2011 or something. I just had a Honda, and of course the artist painter never knows that it's
40 mile an hour, you knob rot. It's not worth getting a ticket, is it?
No, it's not.
You can't turn right, you cocker jumpy. There's that big sign to your left. Get the Specsavers, will ya? Nice, is it? Like the matter to you, Mr. Spicer, this one. When I was there, but it was only, but they haven't done on league now. Yeah, got relegated last year. My team's Sunderland, that's where I'm from, born and bred. And where on earth are you going? Absolutely 2 sheets to the wind. Silly movement, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, that's a classic lane hugger. What an absolute sausage shoppy. There. Well, fine. He's sitting there like that. Look at that white top. What an absolute belly. Fucking phone, man. Cock bumblers. Use a pedestrian crossing, man. Crossing a busy main road. Pedestrian crossing here. Pushing prams on a busy road. Couple of fucking big split arses.